Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to this moment, right here, right now. Today is a brand new day, full of possibilities. I want to share a simple morning routine with you. It only takes 7 minutes and is designed to help you feel good. Think of it as a little gift you give yourself each morning. This is about gentle movement and loving care. We'll connect with our breath and move our bodies in a soft, easy way. This routine is for everyone, no matter your age or experience. The goal is simple: to find what feels good and start your day feeling calm and centered. This is your time, 7 minutes of self-love. Imagine waking up and taking a moment just for you. This routine is that moment, a beautiful way to say good morning to your body. We'll gently wake up our muscles and calm our minds with deep healing breaths. Just a few minutes of mindful movement can change the entire feeling of your day. It sets a positive tone and reminds you to be kind to yourself. So find a comfortable spot, no special equipment needed. Wear something cozy and just bring your willingness to try. Listen to your body and be gentle if something doesn't feel right. The most important thing is to show up for yourself. Let's breathe in a big, fresh breath of air, and as you breathe out, let go of any worries. Let's start this beautiful morning routine together. You are doing something wonderful for your heart. Let's start at the top. Our neck and shoulders often hold tension. Releasing this is a great first step to feel good. Sit or stand tall. Take a deep breath in, then out. Gently drop your chin to your chest. Let your head hang, no pushing. Roll your right ear to your right shoulder. Pause and breathe. Then left ear to left shoulder. Inhale, lift your shoulders up. Exhale, let them drop. Roll your shoulders in big, slow circles, 3 times each way. Notice how much lighter you feel already. Let's keep this gentle energy going. Wonderful. Now that we've released tension in our neck and shoulders, let's wake up the rest of the body. We'll do some easy arm swings. Great for getting your blood moving and warming up your joints. Stand with feet hip-width apart, knees soft. Let your arms hang loosely by your sides. Gently swing them forward and backward like a pendulum, letting the movement come from your shoulders. Add a gentle twist in your torso, letting your head and neck follow. This full body movement wakes up your spine and core. Now, add a side step. As you swing your arms, step right, then left. Find a smooth, easy rhythm, no need for speed. This simple combo gets your heart rate up a little and boosts circulation. Keep breathing steadily as you move. It's a wonderful way to tell your body, "Good morning, it's time to move." This is a perfect exercise to do with your family. Kids love it, and it feels like play. You're building healthy habits and connecting through movement. Keep swinging and stepping for about a minute. Feel the warmth spreading through your body. Notice the energy building. You're doing great. Your heart is thanking you. Let your breath stay steady and relaxed. Enjoy the playful feeling. Let your body move freely. Smile as you move. You're ready for the next stretch. Let's keep going. Now, let's slow down and connect with our breath. Deep, slow breathing calms the nervous system and helps regulate blood pressure. We'll combine this with a beautiful overhead stretch to open your chest and lungs. Stand with feet comfortably apart, arms by your sides. On your next inhale, slowly raise your arms out to the sides and up overhead. Reach for the sky. Breathe in deeply through your nose, filling your lungs and expanding your belly. Hold the stretch at the top for a second, feeling length in your spine and opening in your chest. Exhale slowly, lowering your arms back down. As you breathe out, let go of any tension or worry. Repeat this 3 more times, following your own breath. Inhale, arms rise, fill up with air. Exhale, arms lower, release and let go. This simple movement connects your mind and body. It reduces anxiety and helps your heart. By stretching your chest, you give your heart more space. Deep breathing tells your heart it can relax. You're creating peace from the inside out. This is a beautiful act of self-care. Notice how your body feels more open. Let your breath be your guide. You're in control. Let's move on to the next exercise. Well done. Now let's give some love to our lower body, our foundation. Strong legs and good circulation are vital for heart health. When our leg muscles are active, they help pump blood back to the heart. Let's wake up our legs with gentle marching and heel raises. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart. Begin to march in place. Lift your right knee, then your left. No need for high knees. Just lift your feet off the floor at a steady, comfortable pace. Imagine you're marching happily into your day. Feel your leg muscles working and energy building. Keep marching for about 30 seconds, breathing steadily. Now, pause and stand with feet flat. For heel raises, stand tall. Hold onto a chair or wall if needed. Inhale, rise onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels high. Feel your calf muscles engage. Hold at the top, then exhale and lower your heels back down. Repeat about 10 times. Rise on the inhale, lower on the exhale. Feel the strength in your lower legs. You're supporting your heart with every lift, building a strong foundation for your health. Let's finish with a deep breath. We've moved our body and connected with our breath. Now let's care for our emotional heart. Stress can raise blood pressure, but gratitude and positivity help lower it. This final part is about thankfulness and ending with a smile. Stand with feet together or slightly apart. Bring your hands together in front of your heart. Prayer position. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Feel the connection of your hands at your heart. Think of one thing you're grateful for, big or small. Hold that feeling in your heart and let it fill you up. Gratitude is powerful medicine for the soul. Now for our final movement, the smile stretch. While holding your gratitude pose, let a gentle smile come to your face. Notice how this simple action changes how you feel inside. Smiling helps lower stress hormones and sends a message to your brain to relax. Hold this smile and this feeling of gratitude. You've just completed your 7-minute routine. You're ready for your day. Take a final deep breath in. Exhale and open your eyes. Carry this gratitude and positivity with you. Remember, you can return to this feeling anytime. Thank yourself for showing up. You did it. How can 7 minutes of simple movement make such a big difference? The science is simple and powerful. This routine works on your body, breath, and mind. Gentle exercises wake up your circulatory system, helping blood vessels relax and open up. This means your heart doesn't have to work as hard, directly lowering blood pressure. The gentle nature of these moves gives you benefits without stress. Deep, slow breathing calms your nervous system, activating your body's rest and digest mode. It slows your heart rate and relaxes your blood vessels. It's like a natural tranquilizer for your body. Your thoughts and emotions matter too. Stress hormones raise blood pressure, but gratitude and positivity help lower it. Practicing gratitude and smiling reduces stress and increases well-being. This mental shift has a real physical effect on your heart and blood vessels. It's not about one magic exercise. It's the combination of gentle habits. Movement, breath, and gratitude together create a recipe for better heart health. You're taking care of your whole self. That's why this routine works. This morning routine isn't just for you. It's something you can share with your loved ones. Starting the day together, moving, breathing, and smiling builds healthy habits and connection. Kids love movement. Turn arm swings into pretending you're elephants or washing windows. Marching can be a game. Happy soldiers off to a great day. Add soft, happy music to make it even more fun. Children learn by watching you. Your joy inspires them. Teach them flower breathing. Smell the flower on the inhale, blow the petals on the exhale. It's a skill they can use anytime they feel upset or worried. The gratitude pose is a wonderful family practice. Go around and each say one thing you're grateful for. It teaches kids to look for the good and cultivates a positive mindset. Sharing gratitude brings the family closer. You're creating a culture of appreciation at home. By starting the day with movement, breath, and gratitude, you're building a stronger, happier family. These moments become memories. You're giving your family the gift of wellness. Enjoy it together. You've done it. You've taken the first step on a journey to a healthier heart and a happier you. Every big change is made up of small daily steps. This 7-minute routine is one of them. Practice it every day and the benefits will add up. You're planting a seed of wellness each morning. Consistency is more important than perfection. Some days you'll do the whole routine, some days just a part. And that's okay. The goal is to create a habit that feels good and supports you. Notice how you feel after a week. Calmer, more energized, more positive? These small changes are signs you're on the right path. Keep a journal if you like, to track your progress and stay motivated. You're investing in your most precious asset, your health. Share this positivity with others. Invite a friend or family member to join you. Let's create a community of people starting their day with intention and self-care. You have the power to change your health and your life. It all starts with one small step, one deep breath, one grateful heart. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, you are worth this time. I'll see you next time. Take care of